Good morning class, myself Pooja Kushwaha and I am your science teacher. Let's start today's video. Before the examination, we have done the exercises of one in your copy. You have done all the exercises, question answers, fill up, match the column, everything. So now come on the lesson 2. Before the completing the exercises of lesson 1, I have done the explanation of lesson 2 properly. If you had not attended that lessons, you can go through my previous videos, and after the completing exercises of this chapter, I will summarize this chapter again. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me then only. Okay, so our today's topic is exercises, means let's do the question answers of the chapter. Okay. It is an old book that I'm borrowing from a student. Our first question is, name the major nutrients in our food. If you have read this chapter, then you will know the answer very well. Let's do the answer. You can write it from here. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. 5 that I told you earlier: carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food also contains water and dietary fibers. From this palm you can easily remember all the names of these nutrients. So follow this trick. Okay, I am repeating it again. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food also contains water and dietary fibers. Okay, now come on the next question, that is, name the following. While you are doing name the following in your copy, in your classwork copy, write this sentence with the black pen. Okay, this is also, but write this sentence with the black pen, and answer that I'm going to tell you, you have to write with the blue pen. And before writing these things, please make sure write the heading of chapter name, date, classwork, everything in a proper way that I have told, just like you have done in the lesson 1. Okay, and please start the new chapter with the new page only. Don't use the old page of lesson 1 if you are doing the fair copy, which I have corrected when school will reopen. So our next question is, name the following. Name the following the nutrients which mainly gives energy to our body. Which nutrient give us energy? That is carbohydrates and fats. You know that carbohydrates and fats both are giving us energy, or we can say that, या कह सकते हैं कि fat is giving us more than energy carbohydrates, but it is not good for our health, so we have to take it regularly but in a small amount. Next question is, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Yes, right, it is proteins and minerals. Yes, minerals are also equally important for the maintenance of our body, so answer is proteins and minerals. Why 2? Because here is nutrients. When we ask about one only, you can write protein or minerals. So here answer is proteins and minerals. You can write the answer from here also, proteins and minerals likewise. Okay, now the third one, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. For eyesight, only one vitamin is important, that is vitamin A. Always remember this, vitamin A is important for the good eyesight. A vitamin A. This is your answer, vitamin A, right, for the good eyesight. And the last one, D, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Which mineral is required for keeping our bone healthy? Can you think? Yes, you all are right. The answer is calcium. Calcium is equally important for our bone and teeth. And the second one, We have done first and second. Now third. Name two foods rich in. I am going to tell the nutrients. You have to write two food that is rich in that nutrient. So first one is the fats. What will be the answer? Yes, butter and oil we use regularly or daily. So two foods which is rich in fat is oil and butter, or butter and oil. Next is starch. Starch means carbohydrate, you can say. So answer is rice and potato, which is rich in carbohydrate or starch, and we are using it regularly. Third one is dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is rich in fruits and vegetables, but you have to write the food name, two food names. So you can write any vegetable name or any fruit name. So you can write like this: oranges and spinach. Okay, oranges and spinach. And next, protein. Two protein rich food is, yes, egg milk is also correct, but write soya bean and meat. Okay, all of you please write soya bean and meat. This is your answer. You can take the screenshot of it also. Okay, rest of the thing we have done, we will do in our next class, which is tomorrow. You all have done very well in the test also. Keep it up, students. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.